The blue-billed duck lives in Australia, being found in mild temperature wetlands of the southeast and southwest of the continent. The blue-billed duck is almost wholly aquatic and is rarely seen on land. Non-breeding flocks, often with several hundred individuals, congregate on large, deep, open freshwater dams and lakes in autumn. Blue-billed ducks are partly migratory, with short distant movements between breeding swamps and lakes. The male blue-billed duck is a compact diving duck, with males having a large scooped bright light blue bill. Males have a rich deep chestnut plumage overall, except a dark head and upper neck and an orange-brown to white area at the center of the belly. The tail is dark with stiff pointed feather tips and is usually held flat on the surface of the water. The female has a brown bill with darker plumage than the male, and each feather is barred with narrow bands of light brown. The upper tail is black and the chin and throat are speckled black. The blue-billed duck feeds on the surface of the water or by diving. It takes aquatic insects including larvae, caddisflies, dragonflies, flies, and water beetle larvae.
Oh, there's a baby duck in there.
They may also eat the seeds, buds, stems, leaves, and fruit of a variety of plants.
That's a baby blue-billed
Feeding
duck.
occurs in permanent areas of clear fresh water. Late afternoon and early morning are common feeding times. Blue-billed ducks breed in secluded, densely vegetated areas. It normally takes the bird to hatch 26 to 28 days. The blue-billed duck is threatened by the destruction or modification of a habitat, particularly by drainage works, clearing, cropping, or burning. It is listed as vulnerable in Melbourne and New South Wales. So it's been so cool because there has been so many sightings of the blue-billed duck in the last 2 months at Lake Knox. It has been teeming with life. The other day with the sun out, I could literally see the fish, the birds, diving in order to feed on them. And I could see all the plant life in the water, and I could even see the bottom.
It's not creepy.
I helped out at the planting day on August 31st to help the habitat along the creek. However, I couldn't help think it could have been better to plant out around Lake Knox, where all the animal life lives. I'm down here for a planting day, and look at all this rubbish along the creek. It's just terrible. Nothing lives in the creek. It's a disaster. Always full of rubbish and plastic bottles. It makes no sense to destroy Lake Knox. We aren't even allowed to talk about the lake if we went to the community consultation. That is not democracy. Why is government so intent destroying Lake Knox instead of preserving endangered animals? Fair Hills is integral for the survival of the lake. All stormwater comes from Fair Hills. If we did not litter, Lake Knox would be even more pristine, providing more life and a healthier ecosystem for the blue-billed duck.